That's a proper ship's anchor, that, isn't it, eh?
What do you call me? Look at my anchor.
Let's make sure we can see, because the light's moving around a lot here. Oh yeah, we can see it. Aaron's got his anchor out.
And a Samsung phone.
Raw bolt.
A bit of pipe.
Raw bolt. Pipe.
Loads of it down there. Panasonic personal CD player.
Have you got a disc in it?
Oh, the last one I had was,
Down there?
yeah, blood on the dance floor. I had to open it.
That button there.
Oh no.
No. No tunes this time.
The remains of Captain America's shield.
Known as a dustbin lid.
Oh, okay.
So I've spoilt it for him now. I think it's once everyone's seen it.
Hammer time.
It's hammered. It's not been hammered on much lately, has it?
Okay.
It does look like an Avery
Yeah.
weight.
Are we not on? Are we on?
Here, you're on.
Oh, okay. Well, we've got what looks like an Avery weight.
It's got a hole in it. Oh, so that's fiddle people. I know it's the wrong way around, wasn't it? Make it lighter. It's a knife of some description.
Isn't it? I'm going to tap that off, I think, but
What you got there, mate?
a knife of some description, but I can't quite make it out. But you can see like the three on the handle.
Oh yeah, the studs, yeah.
I'm going to give that a little tap.
Oh, 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 oh. What you got now?
Well, you were showing your balls, I'm going to show me tip.
Another 50 cal tip. This area's had quite a few of them.
Yeah.
Cool.
My first one though.
It is. I've got one in there.
Just a metal ring and some rubbish.
Oh, the
Right.
big stuff.
Spur.
Wait, did you get a knife? Did you
Yeah.
get a knife? Is that a knife? They think a knife, a bullet, and a knife.
That's a spur.
I think it is.
Because well, you'd have a spin wheel on the back.
Yeah.
Oh look, there it is.
Yeah.
It's still there.
Just.
Just see the little bits of it. Yeah, that's a spur. Well, that's an interesting find. That is the remains of a spur. Now, if I bring it in, if I get it to focus, the little spin bit on the back. There we go. You can just see the remains of the wheel on the back. So, yeah, that is part of an old spur. And just here, you could just see where it was. There we go. Look, there's the spikes that would have come off it. Brilliant. Ever-ready blue seal battery.
It's got a sort of chain link there and a hole there, like it'd have been hanging. It would have said grenades here.
Bit of plate.
I don't know though, it does look number platey, doesn't he?
on there, isn't it? Might be worth letting it dry out a bit.
I don't think there is.
Yeah, and that train bridge that you walk over, that's what I filmed out with on my own with the boys.
I've got a stapler now. Strange.
I don't know if that's an old chisel or a broken foot.
I've got a track explosive to go with some cast iron lumps.
That's a really nice handle, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm track explosive. That was me nice clunk. Oh, stone and a window frame.
Right, so we've got
Got a knife handle.
and then I've got that, which I thought was a chisel, but I don't know if it's a snap file. I'm going to tap it so we can find out. So it was a chisel.
Probably from the barrels, from all the rings we've been finding. Because didn't you get one of them scraping tools as well?
Yeah, that would
Yeah.
have been last week or the week before, or on one of the other Bedford videos, because I think there's about 300 of them.
But yeah, that would have been one of the tools when they manufacture the barrels for the beer. Innit?
I don't know what I have to store beer, you can just drink it.
Aaron, it has to ferment.
Oh, okay.
Not that that ever bothers him.
Blueberry peach.
And another vape. Blueberry peach this time. And you've got that strange looking thing.
Strange when it come up.
Hey, buddy. Come on.
I've got a screwdriver.
Ow. And a fence pole.
Inside they've got power supply's gone, fans gone, memory's gone.
Got a bracket.
Self again.
And Ben's here, his memory's gone apparently. Alright Ben, where's your sidekick?
I don't know. Hopefully he's turning up later today. We'll
Will
see.
be the first time since what, spring?
I think it's about a quarter of a year. About a quarter of a year. You better turn up.
Bit of rubbing strip. And one of them. You didn't want to do it in summer because you get so busy.
Oh! Boom, 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 boom.
That is incredible.
She's got the end of the nipple like my Austrian.
The lanyard strap they call it.
Yeah.
Look at that, mate. That's jackpot. Yeah, that's jackpot. Finding a gun.
It is. Where's it come from?
Out of water.
It come from the
I
water.
thought you was watching. I'm sorry.
What's that being used for?
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. That's brilliant. Was it Smith and Wesson or something?
Possibly could be a Webley.
Do you think it's real, but it's not?
Yeah, that's real.
Yeah, it's definitely.
But the weight gives it away straight away.
I've been waiting all morning.
Look at that.
It's incredible.
Yeah, that's meant.
Wow,
Right bit.
that's the most exciting thing that's happened to me all week.
On camera.
What you got then, Aaron? I won't hold it up. He's got himself a little revolver. See, he's still got the lanyard fixing on the bottom as well.
Look at that.
See the other side? I think the other side you can actually see a bit more of it, but not sure what one it is, but
We'll let it dry off a bit.
there we go. That's really cool, that is.
Bang bang.
Well done. You got the key to the doomsday machine. Square. What's that then? Is that a picture frame?
Well, I don't even know why it's...
My portrait. Yeah, another barrel rim. Another one of them brackets I had a while ago. What you got then, Ben? That's where I got them from, innit, when I was there. What you got?
A bullet?
Oh, that's a 50 cal. Yeah, it's just, there we go, it's a 50 cal tin.
Happy days, first find of the day.
Scrapman came down, borrowed my trolley, took it all back up to the scrap lot for us.
I was going to say, have you got the scrapman around here?
Oh yeah. One of them.
Very, very little English. I've seen it.
Scaffold.
They ain't got the threaded bit on it, and it ain't heavy enough.
No, it's not, is it?
So that's what's confusing me. It's like an Olympic relay race baton.
From the first.
Well, I ain't running unless we find something dodgy. He's found that. And a bit of cast iron. I've got a sword. I've got a lump of wood with a nail through it.
Well done, lad.
Ninja throwing star. And a spike.
Oh, some random things today.
Hand up a hoe. It's missing the plate.
Oh yeah, it is, isn't it?
So what you got there, Aaron?
End of a hoe.
End of her hoe. Without the plate. Okay. So I've got a pole and a very small barrel ring.
For a bike lock.
That's the first one today, I think.
Yeah, might be.
Track explosive. Oh. And we have a 303 as well. There we go. And a tip off a 50 cal. No, you want to show it. You got a shovel. Now that is what you call
Is it a shovel?
I reckon
It's
so.
got a bit. That is what you call a shovel. Look at the size. That's bigger than his head. That shows how big it is.
I've got a big head.
And you got a big shovel.
There's a burger there for you.
Oh,
The catering department not on form this week.
I know. Having to fend for yourself. Terry, will you stop hanging around with the wildlife and feed us? Cheers, mate. 7-Up, Savior, Mojito, Citron Vert and Menthol. Sounds a bit random, but we'll give it a go. Yeah. So yeah, that's like 7-Up with mint sauce in it and lemon sherbet. I'm not sure whether I like it, so I'm going to have some more, but that is really weird.
A little off license up there. Right.
It's just like having mint sauce and lemon sherbet. I'll drink it.
The strange thing is, you're not.
What about on the inside of the ring? Anything in there?
Can't see anything. I've got a ring.
It's an olive.
Only a little ring. I've got myself a ring, look.
Rifle bolt. Well, it might be a gate bolt, but you know. It looks like it, doesn't it? Yeah.
What you got, Aaron? You got a bolt.
Gate bolt.
Okay. Is it a rifle gate?
And then put it in like one of those
I
bags.
got the key. I got the secret.
I put it into one of those bags, taped it up, and then put another bag
I
behind it.
I've got no key.
Take that up.
So Aaron's got an old square nail. I think I found your vape, mate.
A bit of bike chain.
Watermelon ice.
Another one of those. What looks like a real horseshoe, but it's got to be almost at the front of a hobnail. It's like, is it
I know what that is.
it's a 50 cal clip? No.
No, it's a bullet clip though, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. 303 or 762, isn't it?
Yeah.
But that's. I wonder if it's like a work boot.
Could be, yeah.
Because I'd
Or
cover them
toe
up.
plate.
Yeah, I've had a few of them actually. You know.
That is a holder for bullets. I know exactly what that is. So yeah, the bullets, hang on, just so happens, that would have clipped in like that.
Better.
But better, yeah, it weren't so rusty then. So yeah, bullet clip. What you got, Aaron?
Got another one of these funny like hobnaily boot type things, but they look more like the shape for the front of
I
the
love
shirt.
Northants language. Hobney nally booty thing.
Water dog showering this, that and the other, and that's about it.
Oh,
Luger.
it is.
Oh, Luger!
No way! No way! No way! No! Luger.
Yeah.
Number
Oh
4.
my God! Nigel's just pulled out a bloody Luger,
No magazine.
which is a German pistol.
Officer's pistol.
Bring the camera down.
Lazy. Oh my God!
Oh dear. So I've just pulled that, which is my 4th Luger. You see the wooden handle.
What? You're breaking
The
up?
magazine is missing, but World War II, German officers, Luger.
Can't hit.
What a find.
Turn it into a robot.
Brilliant. One to Aaron, one to me. Game on. But there we go. Now what you got?
I've got a knife.
It's a funny shaped knife.
Yeah. And on the same pull, got a 50 cal tip.
Nifty 50s, they're coming out today, aren't they?
That's like copper tip.
Polos in the car, punching them the whole way down. I don't think it is.
What you want when you get called out? 7 or 8.
I got some chain. Yeah, you got some lemon and mint mouthwash. Well, that's different.
What's that? Oh. That ain't been in there long, is it?
No. It's better than your coat, Ben.
Adidas.
It is. It's bloody apple going by now.
Is that an apple mac?
It's an apple going by, because is that an apple mac? What you found, Ben?
Somebody's been naughty and look, it's
There is a phone number on the back, you know, you can ring.
is there?
Yeah, you look on the back of the tag, you find a phone number.
Somebody didn't want to be
Well,
tracked.
so I've been told.
I said, "Bet it's yours."
Oh yeah, sorry. I'm on day release today.
had them last week. Like keyholes in them.
So for
I don't know.
safe. Really safe, sir.
Oh,
He's got another one.
You'll
Got 50 cal in it.
there you go. That, I've snapped that off as well.
Oh yeah.
Ah,
So, another 50 cal. So Aaron's got another one of those things that looks like a Hobdale boot shoe, but it's for a very big boot.
I don't know whether the housing estate is in. I've got the phone charger.
Ooh, that's a flat ground. I've got some flack now. I've got myself a flat ground. There we go. I think that's, what is it, 30 mil, 20 mil?
30 mil, I think.
30 mil flat round tip. You can see the drive band around the bottom of it. So, yeah, I've got a flat round. Cool. Ben's giving me funny looks. Why is he giving me funny looks?
He keeps finding everything, I find nothing.
I did a deal with the magnet gods. You did a deal with Cronenberg. That's it. A massive difference, you see. Yeah, because it was going about an hour. What's the video? That's a chain.
Yeah. Handle.
Got a handle and some motorbike chain. Feel like wooden links though. Pram axle, isn't it?
Yeah.
There you go, got an axle off a pram. Said there was something on it.
Yeah, so am I. Oh shit.
That's a tip.
That's a tip.
That's a fuse. It's a solid one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ben. Solid fuse.
Ooh.
That is a solid one. That's a trainer.
Ooh, ooh.
That's a trainer.
Ooh, where's the rest of it?
AJ had it. That's going to drop straight
Oh,
in
is this
AJ's,
the
isn't it?
Is this the one where
I
you
don't know,
said
can I
it
say
was missing the
screwed
top?
I don't know, but he was still a bloody cool
Oh, well, I
find.
can still chemical metal to the top of
Has this
AJ's.
got any explosive in it?
I don't know, just tap it for me.
What you got, Aaron?
I got another tip.
He's got a solid
Don't eat
shot.
yellow snow.
A solid, bring it in a bit. It's a solid shot training tip. Look at that.
Brilliant.
Excellent. What a place this is. Unbelievable. Cool find, mate.
And I'm hoping, if you've watched the previous episodes, this should hopefully just rest in the top of AJ's empty shell that he's got. That's
Cool.
exactly the same.
He needs to stop it.
Almost want to tap that.
Yeah. So a bit of pipe and that strange thing, which I'm going to have to tap because it's strange. Cast iron guttering, if you didn't hear that. D-cell battery. It's wooden chain. So we're finding wooden chain.
But why is it sticking? It must be metal pins.
That's really, really random. I've never seen wooden chain before.
You wouldn't believe it.
No, you really wouldn't. What was that, Bedford pipe?
Bent pipe.
Rifle cleaning rod.
Oh, it's an aerial. It's a car
I
aerial.
don't know, I thought it was some sunglasses, you know, like
Yeah, no, it's a car aerial. Look, there's the top.
You got an aerial?
Yeah.
It's not a rubber duck though, is it?
Told you I had something.
Ooh. I got a key.
I've got a shovel.
Well, a bit of you bit the end off it.
That is the strangest chisel I've ever seen in my life. It's for chiseling round corners.
Yeah, because you can't bend a chisel.
Right. Have you ever needed to chisel round a corner? Because if you have, I've found the solution.
He's found the tool. Oh, there we go. Chisel for cornering. Brilliant. Right, come on.
You got a bent bit of metal.
I've got hook
I've got a bigger bent bit. I and a lot more.
bits. Oh, rubbish. I've got nothing.
I've got a complete barrel ring. I think it's my first one today, complete.
Amazingly.
I mean, you did tricks with it. Oh, careful. You see that?
Yeah, I can indeed.
Is it?
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that's an old one.
Yes.
That's an old one.
Mother.
Right, you've got another 50 cal that's been ripped out of the brass as well.
Ah!
Oh, that's proper old. Look at the shape of it.
Yeah.
That is really unusual. So you got the revolver bit there.
Looks like it folds there.
Oh, nice, eh?
Short, stubby handle.
Wow. Turn it over. Really old, yeah? It's been in there a long time.
That's going to be.
Really? You reckon 1800s?
Actually, no. Top ham will be rim or pin, pinfar,
Yeah. Cool.
wouldn't it? Top ham would be pinfar. So that's going to be around 1840, 1850.
Wow. It's 180 years old. 170 years old.
Because if you actually look at the,
I'm more old.
if you look at the size of the bullets in it, look how short they are.
Damn it!
But that's top hammer, so that's going to be pinfar. That's going to make it really old.
It's so lucky. It's unbelievable.
That's proper old.
That's brilliant.
80,
Oh, well.
80, 90 years. Probably so.
I reckon that's more around 1850 because of its style and the fact that it's pinfar will make it even older. That will put it 1850, 1870s about the latest. Then it went to rimfire from pinfar. So
No.
That's brilliant.
that's kind of cool, isn't it?
Just a little bit. Son of a bitch. Dear me. And the
And a 50 cal.
can bother as well.
That's freshly ripped out, look.
Yeah, so
Still in good condition. Careful.
we're fired.
That's only the bit that sticks in you.
It's very big, huh?
Yeah,
50 cal, yeah.
50 cal, yeah.
From like a Browning, is it Browning machine?
Yeah.
But you see, that's ripped
Brown
out.
machine gun.
So the shell's there somewhere because it's fresh rip out.
Right.
So the rest of it's in there.
And the same pull as well.
Well, there's no point in doing it by half, is there? If you're gonna
I didn't know if you'd seen it because obviously I said it. I was like, whoa, whoa, whoa,
I only saw it when it swung around.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Nice. Good luck, huh?
All right, cheers, mate. Can you lift that down? So I don't want to be holding it up with the. So I've got a 50 cal, but on the same pull as you saw. Look at these. I've got this. Now this is proper old. This is really weird because it's a revolver, but the barrel is so short just there, and it's got this top arm on it. So I've got a funny feeling this is going to be a pinfire one, which is kind of cool. But that is proper old. That is. Ben's calling me names again, but Ben always
He's the
does.
jammiest git ever.
We ain't even done a final three yet.
I know. You
So-
know he's gonna, you know, he'll win that as well.
So there we go, another one.
Cheers, mate. Do as you can. Metal fish.
Iron fish. That's heavy. Look at the weight of that.
Fence topper.
I can live with that. Here we go, here we go.
And I've got a bit of barrel rim.
And I've got a fence topper. And that concludes today. So, what can I say? What a day. They turned the lights on for us, which is really nice. So, I got my balls out early, didn't I?
I got my tips out.
I got me bang bang, and he got his.
Bang bang.
But mine went bang 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 bang. Anyway, and you see 50 cows, flat ground. Taphead that we didn't show, but we found loads of them last time. But, oh, you got your anchor.
Yeah, got my anchor.
I've already said he's an anchor anyway, but it's been a really good day. I've had fun, we've had a laugh.
Just the three of us.
Yeah, because Irene was being... It's a long story. We'll let Dave tell you about that one. We've got Ben in the background. There he is, look, sitting down.
And look what's in his hand.
A can of Coke.
Not beer for a change.
But no, it's been fun. He's enjoyed it. He's had a 50 cal. It's not been the worst day ever, has it?
I've got a 50 cal. I'll do.
Have you got a message?
Something.
Have you got a message for Dave?
Slacker.
And we're going to strip you of your badge because we need to give it to someone that's actually going to wear it.
He hasn't been out in 12, 13 weeks. It's ridiculous. Sort it out, Dave.
Yeah, sort it out, Dave. You missed a good day. But anyway, third week in a row, same spot, still giving. But we've thinned it out now, so if somebody else wants to come and have a go, well, good luck to you. That's all I can say, because we really have tried. But anyway, thank you all for watching. And by the time you watch this, we'll be at 38,000 subscribers.
With a bit of luck.
We will be, not a problem, you know, because it's going to be like, we're about 3 weeks up behind now. But anyway, thank you for joining. We'll catch you on the next one. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to. And join us for more crazy antics every Wednesday at 9, Saturday at 9, Friday at 8 or 9, and Sunday at whenever I can be bothered. But thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.
See you later.
Oh,